What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're stopping here for the first time, feel free to get down there and click subscribe. Me and Ben today are on the road. Yes, we're in a box truck, and this is kind of everyone asks all the time, like, what do I do for work? Sometimes this is it. Usually I put lift kits on, but today we're rolling out to get put seven sets of step bars on some Super Duties. But we're just at the Speedway there, and this is what attracted my attention. This brightly colored can, this new Rockstar flavor, tangerine, mango, guava, strawberry. What you call it?
Tanguava berry.
Tanguava berry.
Yeah.
So there's 4 flavors in here. We mixed them all together, call it Tanguava berry. But the can itself, the bright colors, is what attracted the attention. Obviously, you guys know my truck's bright as leave that out. This can is just wild. There's a lot going on, but it does, in fact, taste pretty good. So we got some cool stuff in store for today. Guy on Instagram, he asked me a long time ago, and never, you know, because I wanted to do a clutch and stuff in my truck, whatever. Talking back and forth for a while. Name's Walker. He hooked me up with PPEI to send me some low boost fueling tunes for my truck. And when I get home later, I'm definitely gonna retune my truck and you know, set that up. Low boost fueling pretty much means when there's low boost, there's more fueling. Speeds up, you know, spooling and stuff like that. When I had my 06, I had a Bully Dog tuner, and I put low boost fueling on my 06 Ram, and I blew up the transmission. So we'll see how that works out. But yeah, that's what's in store for today. But in the meantime, we gotta go put these step bars on, and yeah, I just want to show you guys that can of Rockstar, because that color is just loud. I guess if there's anything you guys want to do for 2019, if you guys are looking to buy trucks, I challenge you guys to buy loud, wild color, uncommon color trucks to build, just like I did. It's 2019, time to start for, you know, trying to start new, do something different. Don't do the same thing as everyone else, because any more people do the same stuff, you know, you're gonna burn it out. So if you guys can find a wild color truck, Jeep, car, whatever it is, get out there, pick one up and build that. Don't go to, you know, what is that word? Like, too, not reserved, but you're not like reserved, or like, but you're like not trying to be too bold. What's like not bold enough? Regardless,
They're trying to blend it out.
yeah, I don't know what we're trying to say here.
It's the trend that just now almost every car manufacturer is making at least some kind of bright color.
Yeah.
I sent you that Mustang the other day that was green, and I've never seen a Mustang in that color green. I'm just like, oh, here we go. Now everything's gonna be green.
Yeah, but don't build a Mustang. But yeah, I know, like Subaru, Jeep, Dodge, all that stuff, they're making wild colors now. So if you're looking to build a car, pick a wild color and build it. That's your goal for 2019. If you're looking for a truck, pick up the most ugly color you can. Like there's a puce green Jeep that I almost bought a while ago.
The Vomit 07.
The Vomit green Jeep. I was looking last night too. I might have to pick one of those up and build one of those, because that color to me is just awesome. So in 2019, get out there and build you a wild color vehicle, and trust me, you'll have the most fun in that vehicle you ever, you know, will ever have, because there's no blending in. People are just like, what is that? And that's the goal. But yeah, we're headed to the dealership right now, and we're gonna put these bars on. So, and then after that, I'm gonna load up these tunes, and I'm gonna see what she's actually got. First of all, driving a dually is just wide. It's just wide. I couldn't even imagine lifted with some stance. That would be crazy. But the worst part about this is we have no idea. He's got the keys, and I'll show you.
It is a Hellcat.
His? Ooh, Hellcat. We should probably go test drive that. He's got the keys. Am I gonna fit through here? Probably not. Probably. Wide boy. So we're looking for a white Super Duty. Problem is, or solution is, look at all of these, and we gotta find it. Luckily we're in a truck, so it's a little easier, but still. And of course there's like 50 white ones lined up in a row here. None of them are flashing.
King Ranchers that oh, they probably had the fold down step bars.
Yeah.
So none of those. Oh yeah, they do. Those have step bars on them. can't be those. King Ranch.
It's white and a Super Duty.
With no step bars. They all have step bars on them.
Just keep hitting lock. And is this not it? The last one? It's got bars. Alright, backing up. Because we got 6 more to do and it's already noon.
Yeah, probably park this one.
But I also don't want to walk around and freeze my
Well, we have to go in and get more keys because we can't find this one.
Yeah. Nothing crazy. There's normal 5-inch Westons. Because these trucks for some reason didn't come with factory bars. So. And this time, you can tell how windy it is. And by the snow, yes, it is freezing. You probably can't even hear me, but walked this entire line trying to find this truck. And end of the line. So you know what that means? All the way back. It's freezing out here. Oh, is that cold? Cold start. Hopefully it actually starts. Ooh. And then there's another one down, and then we just repeat. And over there gonna pick up that red truck. Come in and we just do it over again. There's supposed to be 7, but I think we've already a couple of them aren't here yet. So you guys asked the other day why I wasn't a huge Ford fan, and this is kind of why. This is a Lariat. The sticker over there says $69,000. Yes, it's got leather. Their interface and this interface, to me, the Uconnect and the luxury package on my truck with that LCD dash up here is just so much cleaner. I would show you guys, but typical Ford, it won't start and the battery's dead, so I can't really show you that. But that's one of my reasons, is I just think the Ram setup with the Uconnect and all that stuff is just a lot nicer. Yeah, now we're back in my Ram, but just look at this. This and this together in itself just looks better. Along with this wheel, this leather is like soft leather. The one on the Ford steering wheel, not that soft. And like I said, this is just a Bighorn. There's no leather or no nothing, but this in itself just looks nicer to me. And if you go to the Laramie trim, it's even nicer inside this truck. So that's why I like Ram. And you can get a fully loaded Laramie for not $70,000. So obviously, as you guys know, hook up your diagnostic port underneath the hood, and then turn your ignition on. Then everyone asked me what this app is. This is my Auto Agent EasyLink app. But you're just gonna go to Vehicle, CU Profiles. These are the 3 ones that I just picked up. So this one looks like low boost fueling version 2.4, and this looks like low boost fueling 3.14-6. So let's fetch this. We're gonna download this tune and click install. 3-pin, we're loaded. It's connected. USBs are connected. And it is uploading the new tune to the truck. Back to on. And there it is. And then we let it install. Turn the ignition off. Continue. Ignition on. Continue. And now our tunes are loaded. So as you can see, we got the low boost fueling tune that we just got uploaded to the truck with the shift on the fly switch as well. And let's give her a test. So apparently, you know, jiggling a few wires and, you know, using my phone a little bit, it magically fills my DEF back up. That's pretty impressive, man. That's cool. It's like Bluetooth DEF. That's awesome. I know a lot of you complained about that, so yeah, I just used the Bluetooth fill up function, and we're good now. But what low boost fueling is, if you guys didn't know, it, like I said, it provides more fuel with more fuel in low boost conditions, which right now, as I'm testing here, test driving this, it's giving me it's giving me an awesome driving experience here. This low boost fueling is, like I said, it's taking the edge off the bottom end of this and getting this truck moving because there's the big tires and the gear ratio. Like I said, it's taking the edge off, so the edge off of like the start. So instead of like crawling to a start, letting out the clutch, it's like there, ready to go. So that's awesome. This tune is actually sick. Running this on the hot tune and driving it is incredible. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Such a quicker spool and everything. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. All right, so it was kind of hard for me to record and like show you what this tune could do, so I got Ben in here. He's gonna film for us. First of all, this tune itself, I don't know why this low boost fueling was not. I'll have to see what the MPG difference is between this and the other tune. But this tune handles so much better just in general. You know, shifts and it's just incredible. I can't believe this is not the tune that they sent out. This is something else. And like fifth gear even pulls harder than I did the video the other day. All right, give him a shot outside the window here. Too much juice. Pretty much, that tune is pretty awesome. Even the drivability of this truck changes tremendously, and that's honestly awesome. That rocks. Like, that low boost fueling is incredible. Yeah, it's just like the slightest change, but it's enough for you to say, wow. So Walker, thank you for getting me in touch with PPEI to have those downloaded to my truck, because those are incredible. Yeah, so I think it's probably some time. I think with that, it might be time for some studs on this motor. Oh man, stuff is just gonna add up quick here. But yeah, so I want to say thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed that, shoot this video a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe, and take care, and I'll see you in the next video.